Destiny Ridge. So I pulled out the filter. Yeah, there's way too much oil in that. Look, actually runs out. That's way too much. So there's no air, not enough air getting in. So what I'm going to do, start the beast up and run the engine for a while, and I'll have to clean out the air box and what have you, and we'll because when you get the revs up in gear, it just breaks down. It literally breaks down. You can hear it tick 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 tick, like there's not. Hop off, Sonny. Breaking down. So there's oil getting into the engine. So what I'll do is I'll heat the engine up while I'm cleaning out the air box. Like it's got too much fuel, see, or something. So it idles fine, it does all of that, but we've got this big black mark which is fuel and oil coming out the back end. So I'll give it a wipe off and we'll let it run for a while. Let it just suck air, see, because it's open. So look at all the oil. I'm going to get that out. So I'll clean that with some fuel. Get off! No! Get down, please. No. There's nothing to sit on. Hop down, or you'll go inside while I'm working on it. That's just the idle screw, that little screw thing there. Please go away. I know you love the bike, but go. Stop. Please, sit. We're not going riding, we're just fixing it, all right? He's so excited, he wants to go for a ride, but there's no ride. Ooh, stay, sit, stay, drop, stay. He's confused as to why I've got it going and we're not going anywhere. Anyway, while it warms up, I'll get some petrol and I'll clean all that oil out. Well, viewers, I've cleaned that up a fair bit, and I got to tell you, Mr. Kinko, that's a shit of a spot to put a bloody air cleaner. Oh my God, what a horrible bloody thing. Anyway, so give it a rev. That's sounding 200 times better. All right, gonna put the side panel back on. The boy's willing. What I'll do is I'll go and download all of the trail cams. I'll take it for a bit of a run. So it's only a screwdriver fell off the top here, mate. It's not your bike falling apart. Please don't have a heart attack. Uh-oh. Just a just have to adjust the idle, different temperatures. It's got a self-governing choke, so oh, that's 900% better. All right, so I washed all the oil out as much as I could. There'll still be a little bit in there, but hey, I'll deal with that. I'll put him back together and we'll take it for a spin. See you soon. All right, we're on the bike. Look at the dude. Look. He's so happy. He's so happy. Anyway, we're gonna go down the track. If I see any animal tracks, I'll stop and have a look, but listen to this. Oh, that, yeah. I'm not going too fast because he's on the back and he'll fall off, and then I'll have an $800 vet bill. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Ring the little bell for notifications. See you next time.